Hello guys, it's Initial Despacito. No, I'm not actually Initial Despacito. By the way, today I'm gonna be showing you how to use emojis on Roblox or anything. Like, look, this emoji right there. Okay, so this is how you do it. So you wanna type anything with an emoji. You want to right click your mouse. Then you click emoji, and then you get a list of emojis, and then you can use them. Then you keep on pressing enter to spam them on one, and then look, you can send emojis. Yeah, so let's troll. Oh yeah, I can't troll because it's only for outside of Roblox. And here's another way if you want to chat in Roblox using emojis. So you go to emojipedia.org, and then it lets you find a lot of emojis. You can just choose whichever one you want, and then when you do that, you press copy. Then it copied, and then you can go back to Roblox, and then you can just type it. This one is for you can only use one, otherwise it'll be hashtags. So yeah, hope you guys use this video. Peace.